Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me.
Hey, what's up and how y'all doing? It's your girl Asia and I'm back with another video. Today I just got out of BLC. Well, not technically out, but we graduated on Tuesday. Today is Saturday, so I'm gonna be doing a little weekend vlog slash maintenance video because I gotta get my hair done, my toes done. I'm gonna try to get a facial, all of that good stuff, because you know, just to pamper myself for graduating. I got the kids with me because as soon as I got home today, my mom and my stepdad, they just like they left, okay? But right now we just like got changed or whatever, and right now we're about to go to where are we about to go? First of all, we're about to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. The kids is, well, me and Ava is hungry. The baby's just at the bottom. But we are hungry, so we're about to go get something to eat. I'm thinking like seafood or something. Ava really loves shrimp. So we about to go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to Aaron's because they are gonna give me $50 off. No, not $50. 50% off on a sofa. So I'm probably about to go buy a sofa from them if I like it, like something inside. I got this company sending me a free rug, so I'm trying to like get my living room together. And I got a lot of packages I need to open for PR purposes. I got a lot of stuff going on, y'all. I gotta get ready for my graduation on Tuesday. Just a lot. So yeah, we about to go get something to eat. And yeah. Okay, so we are here about to eat. Well, I just ordered the food. Ava is playing on my tablet. Says that it's just, you know, sitting up. I just ordered a whole bunch of seafood, so we're gonna see if we eat it all. I doubt we do, but it's okay. So y'all, we're done eating. Now we are on the way to Aaron's. And if I don't find nothing at Aaron's, I'm just gonna check like a few of the furniture stores out here for a new sofa, because I definitely am getting a new sofa this weekend. I already have, I ain't gonna say I sold my current sofa already, but it's already like in the process of getting took. Like I already got somebody on the way this weekend that wants it, so I'm definitely trying to have a sofa by Sunday. Here's the to-do list or whatever. And yes, I got my glasses on because y'all know I can't see. Ooh. I have to do Ava's hair, go to Aaron. Wait, no, let me do it in order, kinda. I gotta go to Aaron's, do Ava's hair, clean up the house. Or I might say that for tomorrow, I don't know. Get my toes done, get a facial. Let's see, what else do I have to do? We're at Aaron's right now. I want a sectional, and I'm not seeing no sectionals in here. So we're gonna see what they got. Look at the kiddos. But that is cute. I like that.
Get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me.
I didn't find nothing at Aaron's. I didn't find nothing at Aaron's. So I'm just gonna look online for a sofa at this point, cause yeah, Aaron's ain't gonna cut it, and I don't even know why I went in there in the first place, to be honest. But I would definitely feel like I just wasted a lot of my time. We're about to I'm honestly probably about to go home and edit some videos and relax a little bit. I've been going all week, so I'm definitely probably about to just go home. And we're just gonna pick up on this self-care, not even self-care, this just maintenance, get my life together weekend. Just a maintenance video, cause yeah, the kids is getting fussy and I'm getting frustrated because I really want like the perfect sofa. But hey y'all, so today is Sunday. We didn't really do a lot yesterday. We just, you know, went to errands and that was about it. But today, I think, well, I know I have to get a lot done today. Today I need to, let's see, we're gonna start off at 1, we need to get some breakfast. We need to get something to eat. 2, we need to go furniture shopping. And I need to find a sofa because they came and picked up the sofa. They paid for the sofa and picked up the sofa yesterday. So I just really need to get a sofa. But I still want to get something that I like, you know. 3, I need to get my hair done at 2 o'clock or sometime after that. She said she's going to text me when she's done with whoever she's doing. Let's see. 4, I need to do Ava's hair. I'm getting my hair done, so she has to get her hair done. 5, I need to see where my package is. I ordered Ava some clothes and they are nowhere to be found. And then DHL keeps saying that they can't deliver. Like the delivery premises is closed or something. And I don't know what they're talking about because I live in a house. So, yeah. And I want to say that's it. Oh, and I gotta get a rug. Either order it online or I need to find one in store when I find my sofa. But I gotta get a rug. That's top. And then after that, all of that is done. I need to come home and clean up, get everything back in order in the house. And then I need to get ready for graduation on Tuesday. Just get ready for graduation on Tuesday. I got so much stuff coming, y'all. I got so much stuff coming for my camera today. Like, let me see if I can show y'all what I ordered. I ordered so many things for my camera today. Not today, but like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. See, but it's this sofa on Amazon that I'm like just really in love with. But it says that it won't be here until March 19th. And I would want it sooner than March 19th. And then there's this other sofa that I like. But they're temporarily out of stock. Okay, let me show y'all what I ordered from Amazon. Alright, so I ordered some little speaker thingies for my speaker. So it won't be all muffled and stuff when it's like, you know, the wind. I ordered a light to go on my camera. And then I ordered another light for my phone. And I also, if you've seen a video on my Instagram or something, you saw these Snap Girl pills. I ordered some of those. Sorry, y'all, I bite my nails. And I ordered a mount for a camera mount to like go in my car, to go just like anywhere for real. I ordered a new mini tripod. I ordered a camera case. I ordered the little bar to go on the bottom of the camera to actually add all the extra pieces to it. I ordered this for my phone. It's like a light. I ordered this little bar thingy. It has like prongs on each side that I can attach multiple things to it, so like my camera, my microphone, etc. I ordered this phone mount. Yeah, I ordered this phone mount so I can like use it to record my short videos and stuff. This is coming Tuesday. I ordered some wireless microphones, so we're gonna see how those work out. And I ordered a new battery pack, and that also comes Tuesday. We're about to go get some breakfast and really just start our day. It's 10:19. My appointment should be around 2-3 o'clock, hopefully. So yeah, because my hair hair looking crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a pedicure while we out because my feet are terrible looking. And what else am I gonna try to do? A lot of the furniture stores are closed today, so I'm probably not gonna be able to look for furniture until tomorrow. Just me and the kids. I'm waiting on my Amazon packages to get here, so you know, your girl. I need to find an esthetician today too, but I need to find somewhere that I can go where I can take my kids, cause I got them. So I'm gonna look that up too. But let's go get something to eat. We ended up going to get something to eat. My camera is about to die, but Ava ended up having like a little episode, so we left early. But now we're about to go into this furniture store with my friend Jocelyn. She done been on here before, and we about to go look at some sofas and stuff and see if we can find something. Y'all, I got a sofa. I can't wait to show y'all, but I'm not gonna show y'all right now. I'm gonna wait until it gets to the house. She said hopefully that they can deliver it tomorrow because they gotta come on post anyways, but if not, if they can't squeeze me in tomorrow, they'll do it Thursday. So my delivery day is Thursday, but hopefully she called me and be like, hey, we can do it today. And I'll be like, okay. But it's so cute. It's so cute. But I gotta find a rug, y'all. I gotta find a rug. I'm about to go to the house. It's like 11, 12 something right now. I gotta go to the house, wash my hair because my appointment is coming up. Let the kids nap because everybody is just a little fussy right now. And yeah, gotta let them nap. I'm gonna look for some rugs and curtains and pillows on Amazon because I'm an Amazon girly, duh. And yeah, I'm just excited about my sofa, y'all. Like, I'm talking with my hands real bad. I'm just excited. But yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all, you know, I'm gonna let y'all go and I'm gonna check back in. Hey y'all, so I'm here. Mocha about to do my hair. Today has been a strange day, but I had to do my makeup. You see, I had to do my makeup a little bit, so you know, when she get done with my hair, I can be like boom boom, you feel me? But yeah, she about to do my hair, and she said my hair wasn't thinning because your girl was stressed out by these edges. I was stressed out by these edges. The kids over there, Ava on the tablet like usual, but you know.
Take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm trying to hit the.
Right, I had to get some repaired in the back. Cause yeah, y'all hear the baby back there crying. Well, he about to start crying cause he a crybaby. So, as you can tell, he just couldn't sit in his car seat long enough. It ain't funny. So he gotta sit in my lap. While she do my hair. So much for self-care, you know? Cause you gotta be you. So, you know. Look at me. But then you got, well, Ava is actually doing really, really good. It's just him that just won't chill. Ava chilling, he just don't want to chill. But yeah, my hair looks so cute, and I got those itches, you know. You can't tell me. I might just go to Walmart just because. Okay, y'all, look at my hair. Period. Your girl about to be so cute for graduation on Tuesday. You can't tell me. We are about to eat Longhorn. She done took her seatbelt off. Yeah, your girl, my hair look good. My hair look good. I'm so excited for my graduation. After this, we're gonna go to Walmart because I gotta get some more formula. I can't stop looking at my hair, but yeah. Yeah, you see me. So Longhorn ended up being 2-pack, so we came to Latin Dream. And we're waiting on Jocelyn to get here because she don't eat with us too, so. Ava's asleep. And Zay's asleep too, so it's just me, and I'm waiting. Jocelyn is here. And Bree over there. I thought she was gonna be asleep, but she not asleep. But the other baby's asleep.
Dirty shoes since I was 10, love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day.